Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sign up to your own Binance account. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. If you're new to Binance, all you have to do is scroll down until you see the first link in the description or until you see the first link in the comment section below, where it will refer you to make an account with up to 100 euros bonus as our special offer. And so from here, once you click on the link, it will redirect you to the main page where it says welcome to Binance, and then you can fill it with anything you might need. So, email or phone number without the country code, or you can continue with all the other options down below, such as your Google account, Apple or Telegram. So we can select the Google account right here, and then we will select from whichever account that we have right here. So click on this one, for example, and then click on continue. Now that you now have that done, it's going to load for you in the new interface, and then you're going to click OK on the privacy and terms and conditions. Then from here, you're going to click on next, and then you're going to wait for it until it loads, until it finishes right here. And now you're on the main page where it tells you to welcome abroad. Do you have an inviter? Click on yes, and then rewrite the referral ID that you will have at the bottom of the link, but for your optional, you're not going to have that. Once you do that, click on next, and then from here it's going to load you for the next page where it's going to tell you to simply download the Binance app. And so from here you can download it from the Play Store, and then from here you're going to open it. And it will show you this main page where for any other features it will tell you to submit some files such as your identity card, a picture of yourself, or fill in any other details such as your name, phone number, or anything else. And that's pretty much it. Once you have that done, you will have access to Binance. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.